All right, guys, we ain't here at the property. We got a phone call. We ain't here to do an estimate about some debris removal. It's a lot of, I believe, tile, concrete, wood, and all kinds of stuff. Papers, I think he said. He have a bunch of stuff, all remodeling stuff. So we ain't here at the property. We're gonna go down, talk to the guy, look at the stuff that he have, giving him a price, and then it's gonna be all up to him if he wants us to do the job or not. If we do, you guys gonna see the video. All right, let's check it out. All right, guys, guess what? We got the job. We give the price to our customer. Sorry by the hand. He agrees with it, and I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna be working with today. So we back up the trailer all the way to the back, and we're gonna be taking all this away. All this remodeling, construction debris. They do have some tile, some bricks, some paint bucket or glue bucket. We're gonna take this big long piece also. We're gonna take all that in there. It's my boy Jay getting the camera ready to record it for you guys. So we're gonna take all that. We're going to the landfill early this morning, so we got the trailer empty and ready to fit all that in there. And we wanna picking up this little pile of bricks, tile, and whatever else they have in there. Pavers, broken pavers, I guess. Just that right there. So we got the trailer in there ready. Guys, we're gonna jump in action and we're gonna record it. See you in the next clip. it. We finished the job. Job is complete. As you guys remember, that's where we have all the construction debris, all the wood, all the leftover concrete and everything. We got the trailer full and loaded, and we put on the concrete on the back. We have a tile, we have pavers, concrete, and all kinds of stuff. Trailer's full and loaded, and we also pick up whatever was on the other side. So guys, remember, for all you clean outs, hauling services, removals, give us a call. Goodbye John Corlando's, and here for all you need, 321-356-2295. You can follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or at goodbyejohncorlando.com. I'll see you on the next one.